If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and to subscribe to our channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from Swaggy Amma. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back with another healthy delicious Konkani recipe, papaya okeri. As we all know, raw papaya is rich in fiber which helps aid your digestion, and it also helps cleanse your internal system. Today I am going to share a Konkani style raw papaya stir fry, for which I will be taking a small size papaya. Firstly, we will be cutting off the edges and peeling the skin out. Next, we will cut the papaya into two halves and de-seed them. Next, chop the papaya into thin long slices, and once it's chopped evenly, soak them in water for a few minutes so that the papaya milk washes away. Next, in a kadai, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seed and half a teaspoon of jeera and prepare the tempering. Once the tempering is prepared, add the thinly chopped papaya into it. Mix everything well and add 1/4 cup of water. Next, add about 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Mix all this well and neatly place the papaya to the center of the kadai. Now close them with a lid and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes in low flame. Keep stirring your papaya occasionally so that it cooks evenly. Once your papaya is well cooked, sprinkle with some coconut oil on top of it. Now stir them gently and your healthy delicious papaya okeri is ready. This is a great side dish for rice. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to share it along with your friends. Thanks for watching, and there are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well, and do not forget to subscribe.